Hi and welcome to this new video, and today it's time to talk concerning Longchamp Pliage Re-Play. Yes, I know guys, they appeared during August time and we are now in September, but my apologies, I really wanted to make first the previous video you can see on my channel, but today let's have a discussion about this 2024 edition. Let's go! Longchamp, you know, because it's now the third time. In August, they launched their Re-Play collection. For those who do not know what it is, I advise you to see the previous video I have done concerning the previous collection. In fact, Longchamp uses their old stock, their left stock of nylon, and they are making pliage bag, but they are quite different. They are limited and they are from different shapes. So have a look, I will enclose the videos. Concerning this year, they launched it, and this time we have two bags. Both of them are tote bag, and we have two sizes. We've got an XS sizes, which is quite similar to the one of last year. We've got two top handles made with Russian leather. You have the traditional pliage flap, also made with Russian leather. The bag is made of nylon, and this time we have a bunch of color combination, which is quite great. And you have on the excess a removable and adjustable strap in Russian leather. And if you see closely at the bag, you will see that the front and the back, we also have a leather part. And this part are with cowhide, soft cowhide leather. It is not grain leather. And the M size, this time the bag is bigger. You do not have the strap, you just have the two handles to wear it by the hand. And you also have the leather part and also the flat pocket and so on. To open and close your bag, you've got the button pressure, and that's all. Once again, for the M size, you've got a bunch of color. Concerning the price, and this is the first surprise, but it can be explained, the XS retails at 330 American dollar and the M retails at 385 American dollars. And the price is really bigger. It is more expensive than the last year's edition, because of the leather part. What can we say? Well, I love the idea of the Re-Play line. Seriously, I am always happy about that, because it's better that a company use their left stock. This time I am super happy because there are more stock of bags, because for those who have followed the phenomenon, you know that each year they launch them in some colors, but very soon they are sold out, in fact. And this time there's a bunch of color, and till now you can still order them on internet and in the boutique. So the number of items have increased, and this is a quite good news. The colors, they are all beautiful. You have a lot of choice. If you have a favorite color, I do think you can find it, because there is red, pink, yellow, green, blue. You can find a nice color of your taste. I love this shape, you know, tote bag, the XS one. I see them both XS and M, and I can tell you that the XS can fit quite enough your essential. It's a good size. The M is really bigger and can fit, if I remember well, a 13-inch laptop, which is quite good if you want to use it as a work bag. This shape is practical, it fits a bunch, and it's completely fashion. It's the vibe of the moment. So they are really good looking bags and very practical and well made, I can tell. Longchamp prices have increased a lot, and this collection, and this is for me the negative point, Longchamp Re-Play used to be a little bit cheaper than the Longchamp Pliage traditional lines, and I think it was good for people who do not know Longchamp Pliage to try them and test them through those bags. This time the price is so high. I do think it's more for people who already know Longchamp and are ready to pay a bunch to add those bags into their collection. I love them. I love the idea, that the price, it's for me, it's really a negative point. Concerning myself, I've got the chance, I was lucky enough to see all of them in various colors, but I did not buy it. I did not buy either the XS or the M because I already have a bunch of pliage bags in my collection of all shapes, and I am not in the urge to add this bag in my collection. So let's see, maybe if it happens to be on sale or I find one at a good price, but for the moment I will not buy it. And because even if you have leather parts, it is not the whole bag in leather, it is still nylon. So in my mind, I'm sorry guys, but in my mind the price is too high even for nylon and even for a limited item. So, and I will also tell you the truth. And there is another point. This is just an example because I've got also the previous brand, but this one from last year, I have to tell that this type was really nice and is better for me than the one of this year. Even if this one does not come with a strap, you can still add one and use it crossbody. I think this one, in creativity, it was stronger. If you see at this collection of this year, so the 2024 edition, you can see that it's something that already happens in Longchamp, so there is nothing crazy concerning the design. This one was brilliant because all those ribbons and this type and you know this D-ring like this, it was something different. So I really prefer the last year collection because of the design. So that's also a point. But guys, now it's your turn. Did you buy the XS or the M? Will you buy one? How do you find those bags? Please tell me. You know my point of view concerning them. I repeat, if I find one at a good price, yes, maybe I will buy one, and I think I will go for an XS because it's an XS bag, but in this type of tote bag you can fit a bunch, and I already have a big pliage bag. I don't need another one, so for me the M is not a choice, so I will rather go for an XS. So please, I'm super curious to know your choice. Would you buy one? Which one, in which color? We open the discussion concerning this new line. Thanks for watching this video. If you love my contents, please consider subscribing. It's really helped me a lot. Have a great day, take care, and stay tuned because you know here we always talk about bags. So if you love bags, you are at the right place. Love you guys. Bye bye.